So I pick up this trailer and I realize what someone has done to this trailer. I wonder if y'all can pick out what someone's done to this trailer. Yeah, you see those? Those look like trailer tires, right? So we walk around to this side. What do those look like? Those definitely look like drive tires, right? So it looked like somebody took the trailer tires off this side and put their drive tires on here and rolled out. Funny, look at the flat spot on across the bottom of this. You know, like, it's crazy. Boy, 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 you know it's tough out here. You see stuff like that. Let's get going. Yeah, make a quick stop. I want to get some new hangers, mud flap hangers. I want to put new mud flaps on and new hangers this weekend if I have a chance. I'm about to go pick up my kids, so if I get a chance to stop, I'll do that. We got to do some mechanical work on it this week, so try to just knock a lot of things out. Let's walk in here to the candy store. Ooh. All your spikes. Should I put some Kenworth mud flaps on mine? Cut them down. See, I would have to cut them up here. So let's say Kenworth down there. Like them. I was gonna go do some heavy ones again. Oh, wait a minute, pay the belt. Gonna give you a pay the belt one. Alright, let's get back to work. Found all their bumpers. W900. Ooh, we got a bumper with all the light holes on the bottom. Penny lights. $790 for a W9. Ain't bad. But I want this one. I want this one right here. $12.50. Yeah, I want this one. I know where it's at now. We're gonna start re-prettying up that truck again. These are all Lincoln bumpers. Look at that. Buttons all in those ones too. That's clean. I like blind mounts. Personal preference. Been trying to find mud flap hangers, but I don't think they have any. Let's drive with his landing gear down. Super trucker. Just seen it. I would have warned him if I seen it, but I know I ain't gonna be able to stop that moving truck. But oh well, I was bringing it over here. Hopefully he'll realize it. I hope so. Look at these two. Posted up. Looking good. I think that's the one I got from the show. Yeah, that's the one from the show. That one too. They out here working trucks, boy. Yes, sir. More adding to it. I'm working on that Pete. Cool ass guy. And you got the W9. That thing looks good. Sounds like a cat over there to me. I like it. The more I look at it, the more I like it.